Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Are you in search of the best smart thermostat for home? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 smart thermostat for home available. But before we dive in, check the links in the description to find one within your budget. Let's get started with our review. Top 1. Honeywell Home RTH 9585WF Wi-Fi Smart Color Thermostat. The Honeywell Home RTH 9585WF Wi-Fi Smart Color Thermostat offers a blend of innovation, convenience, and energy efficiency, making it a standout addition to any modern home. Boasting a sleek touchscreen interface, this thermostat provides intuitive control over your home's temperature settings. Its 7-day programmable feature allows for personalized schedules to match your lifestyle, while its Energy Star certification ensures optimal energy usage, saving you money in the long run. Compatible with Alexa for voice control and Wi-Fi connectivity for remote access, this thermostat puts comfort at your fingertips. Upgrade your home's climate control with the Honeywell Home RTH 9585WF. Top 2. ecobee 3 Lite Smart Thermostat. The ecobee 3 Lite Smart Thermostat is a game-changer in home climate control. With its sleek design and advanced features, it offers unparalleled convenience and energy efficiency. Compatible with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, this thermostat seamlessly integrates into your smart home ecosystem for effortless control. Its Energy Star certification ensures optimal energy usage, saving you money while reducing your environmental footprint. What sets it apart is its DIY-friendly installation process, making it accessible to homeowners of all skill levels. Say goodbye to outdated thermostats and hello to a smarter, more comfortable home with the ecobee 3 Lite Smart Thermostat. Top 3. Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat for Smart Home. The Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat redefines home comfort and convenience. Designed for easy installation and DIY enthusiasts, it seamlessly integrates into any smart home ecosystem. Compatible with Alexa for voice control, this Energy Star certified thermostat ensures energy efficiency without compromising comfort. Its intuitive app allows for remote temperature adjustment and scheduling, putting control in the palm of your hand. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Emerson Sensi ST55 is the perfect addition to any modern home seeking intelligent climate control. Say hello to comfort, savings, and simplicity with the Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. Top 4. Google Nest Thermostat Smart Thermostat for Home. The Google Nest Thermostat sets the standard for intelligent home temperature management. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a standout choice for modern homeowners. With programmable Wi-Fi capabilities, it seamlessly integrates into your daily routine, offering personalized comfort while saving energy. Compatible with various smart home platforms and voice assistants, including Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri, controlling your home's temperature has never been easier. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Nest Thermostat keeps you connected and in control. Embrace innovation, style, and efficiency with the Google Nest Thermostat in charcoal. Top 1. Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat. The Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat is your key to a comfortable home with privacy at its core. With its enhanced data privacy features, you can rest assured that your personal information remains secure while enjoying the convenience of programmable temperature control. Designed for easy installation and DIY enthusiasts, it connects seamlessly to Wi-Fi and is compatible with Alexa for voice commands. Its Energy Star certification ensures efficient operation, saving you money while reducing your carbon footprint. Plus, with the new 2023 model, a C-wire is not required on most systems, simplifying installation even further. Embrace comfort, convenience, and privacy with the Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat.